Alright guys, you need to follow the arrow where the water go. So I simply clean guys because it's clog. It's full of the screen. It's full of what you call this dirt. It's normal to vibrate because there's a water pump for the RB side. Make sure it's only hand tight guys, don't over tight or else it's only plastic thread. Okay, and then we're gonna connect this thing here. All right. All right. Filter is in. All right, guys. According to the manual, the one on top, this is the cut-off position next to the motor. As you can see, this thing here, that's a hot water cut-off position. It's summer, so all we need to do, make it hot water cut-off valve is closed. So that's hot water cut-off valve is open. Hot water. So let's try it. It's working right here, right there. We're gonna try the bathroom guys. So everything is working good now. See hot position. We need to sanitize the whole thing. All right. Let's check the LPG, the press water, the holding tank, 1/3 gray holding tank, press water 1 and 2. How come? All right, let's try. Turn it off the water pump for now. Okay, let's try that. All right, guys. Bye bye, tubu. So right now, you can see there's no leak. Make sure there's no leak, so everything will good.